Affordable Getaway Destinations for Beginners 2023. Planning on a budget-friendly adventure? Look no further. I've compiled a list of remarkable destinations that won't break the bank, all priced between $20 to $60 a day. Remember, creative travel can transform any place into a frugal wonderland. Here are the top 10 budget travel destinations to explore in 2023, covering a variety of regions. Start hitting that like button and subscribe to our channel as we dive into places where you don't have to empty your pocket but still enjoy a memory-worthwhile adventure. Turkey. Dive into the crossroads of East and West. Uncover Istanbul's open-air museum, the Galata Tower's panoramic views, and the history-rich Cappadocia. You can even horseback ride for a budget view of Cappadocia's wonders. Savor Turkish delights and kebabs while staying affordable. Istanbul. Navigate bustling bazaars and Grand Bazaar and Spice Market, where haggling is an art and treasure waits at every turn. Ascend the iconic Galata Tower for panoramic views of minaret-studded skylines and serene Bosphorus. Cappadocia, a place where nature herself seemed to sculpt the landscape. Marvel at the otherworldly rock formations, carved into homes, churches, and even entire cities. While balloon rides are enticing, you can opt for a more budget-friendly horseback riding tour to take in the breathtaking views at sunrise or sunset. Turkish cuisine is a treasure trove of flavors. Don't miss out on kebabs, pide, and the ever-popular Turkish delight. Street food stalls offer a chance to sample local delicacies without straining your budget. Slovenia. Tucked away in the heart of Europe, Slovenia emerges as a balance between captivating cityscapes and pristine natural wonders. With its walkable cities, stunning landscapes, and affordable adventures, Slovenia beckons you to explore its diverse beauty without straining your wallet. Begin your Slovenian journey to Ljubljana, the charming capital known for its eco-friendly initiatives and picturesque architecture. Stroll along the Ljubljanica River, crossing the charming bridges that link the city's historical and modern districts. A short trip northwest leads you to Lake Bled, a true fairy tale setting nestled amidst Julian Alps. The lake offers postcard-perfect views of its island church and medieval castle perched on a cliff. For the budget-savvy adventurer, Triglav National Park is a paradise waiting to be explored. Hike through lush valleys, past cascading waterfalls, and up rugged mountainsides. The Soko Valley, with its crystal-clear river and rocky landscapes, provides idyllic backdrop for outdoor enthusiasts seeking affordable thrills. Vietnam. Nestled in Southeast Asia, Vietnam has emerged as a go-to destination for budget-conscious travelers seeking breathtaking landscapes, rich culture, and remarkable experiences without breaking the bank. From bustling cities to serene countrysides, embark on a journey to Ha Long Bay, where the iconic limestone cars rise dramatically from emerald waters. While the allure of hot air balloon rides is undeniable, budget travelers can opt for equally captivating alternatives, such as serene boat cruise or exploring the limestone caves dotting the bay. In the dynamic capital of Hanoi, wander through the old quarters of narrow streets, savor street food delights, and immerse yourself in Vietnam's rich history at sites like the Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum. In Ho Chi Minh City, the bustling markets, historic landmarks, and the Mekong Delta's floating markets are all within reach for budget-conscious travelers. From sleeper buses for overnight travel to scenic train journeys, getting around Vietnam is not only cost-effective, but also an adventure in itself. El Salvador. Uncover hidden natural wonders and local warmth. Pristine beaches, lush national parks, and outdoor adventures are within reach. With just $35 a day, you'll experience genuine connection and breathtaking landscapes. El Salvador's coastline is a haven for beach lovers and surf enthusiasts. From the pristine shores of El Tunco to the vibrant Playa El Zonte, the country's Pacific coast is dotted with laid-back beach towns where you can soak up the sun, catch some waves, and enjoy the relaxed atmosphere without burning a hole in your pocket. For those seeking outdoor adventures, El Salvador's volcanic landscapes are a must-see. The Santa Ana volcano, the country's highest peak, offers rewarding hikes with panoramic views of the turquoise Coatepeque Lake. The adventurers can even hike to the stunning Bukidnon volcano crater, where you'll be treated to breathtaking vistas and fresh mountain air. Discover El Salvador's rich cultural history by visiting the UNESCO-listed Joya Seren, often referred to as the Pompeii of Americas. This archaeological site offers a glimpse into the ancient Mayan life preserved by volcanic ash. The ruins of Tazumal and San Andres are also worth exploring for history enthusiasts. Poland. Through Warsaw's vibrant streets and embrace Krakow's charm, savor culinary delights without straining your wallet. With its stunning old town and vibrant market square, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site that transports visitors back to the Middle Ages. Wander through the Royal Castle of Warsaw, discover the maritime charm of Gdańsk's old town, and explore the medieval streets of Wrocław. From the stunning Tatra Mountains in the south to the serene lakes of Masury in the north, Poland's natural beauty beckons outdoor enthusiasts. Hike through the picturesque trails of Białowieża Forest, a UNESCO-listed pre-medieval forest, and spot European bison. In Tatra Mountains, explore Zakopane, a popular base for hiking, skiing, and enjoying alpine landscapes. Poland's calendar is studded with festivals celebrating its cultural heritage. The Janki Festival in Krakow celebrates the summer solstice with music, dance, and the floating wreaths of the Vistula River. Poland's nightlife scene is both vibrant and affordable. From cozy pubs and lively bars to underground clubs, there are plenty of venues to socialize and unwind after a day of exploration. Enjoy live music, dance, and cultural performance without straining your budget. Morocco. Journey through the Medinas of Marrakesh and explore the Atlas Mountains. Delight in Moroccan cuisine and immerse yourself in the country's allure for around $35 a day. Morocco's Medinas, or old city quarters, are a labyrinth of narrow alleys bursting with colorful markets, or souks. Haggle with local vendors for unique treasure like carpets, ceramics, and leather goods. From the iconic blue streets of Chefchaouen, the regal market of Marrakesh, Morocco's architecture is a testament to its rich history. Wander through ancient ruins like the Roman city of Boulebis and explore the intricate mosaics and grand arches that showcases the country's diverse cultural influences. Venture into the Sahara Desert for an unforgettable experience on camelback. Spend the night in a traditional Berber camp beneath the star-studded sky. Marvel at the towering dunes of Merzouga and witness the sunrise over the endless sea of sand. Experience Morocco's lively festivals, such as the Festivals of World Sacred Music, where artists from all over the globe come to perform. Engage with locals in drum circles, dance performance, and traditional music. Uzbekistan. Embrace Silkwood history in Samarkand's ancient city and savor bazaar bustle and stunning mosques. With an average budget of $40 a day, you can traverse breathtaking landmarks and traditions. Silk Road cities and architectural marvels. Uzbekistan cities are like open-air museums, showcasing intricate Islamic architecture. Samarkand's Registان Square, Bukhara's ancient city center, and Kiev's Old Town are all UNESCO World Heritage Sites with stunning mosques, madrasas, and mausoleums. Discover historical sites like the ancient city of Khiva, known for its well-preserved walls and minarets. Explore Shakrisabs, the birthplace of Tamerlane, with its grand monuments and stunning architecture. Cambodia. Beyond Angkor Wat, explore lesser-known sites like Chan Chan and Nazca Lines. Savor street food, budget accommodation, and captivating history for around $25 a day. Discover bustling market like Sarcha and Siem Reap, where you can find traditional textiles, handicrafts, and artwork. Engage with artisans who continue to preserve Cambodia's artistic heritage. Beyond Angkor Wat, Cambodia boasts serene landscapes like the rice terraces of Bandambang and the lush countryside surrounding Kampot. Immerse yourself in the tranquility of rural Cambodia and witness local farming practices. Indulge in Khmer cuisine, known for its flavorsome curries, soups, and fresh ingredients. Savor dishes like amok, or fish curry, and baisa chuk, or pork and rice, from local street vendors and markets. Costa Rica. Explore national parks, relax on beaches, and dive into adventure for about $45 a day. Costa Rica boasts a network of national parks and protected areas teeming with wildlife. Explore Manuel Antonio National Park, Arenal Volcano National Park, and Corcovado National Park to witness the rich biodiversity. From the turquoise waters of Caribbean to the Pacific coastline, Costa Rica offers a variety of beaches for relaxation and water sports. Surf, snorkel, or simply unwind on the sandy shores. Embark on a budget-friendly adventure like ziplining, whitewater rafting, and hiking through rainforests. Experience the thrill of exploring the Monteverde Cloud Forest or witness the Arenal Volcano's eruptions. Jordan. Dive into hidden history with Petra's Treasury and Wadi Rum Desert. Uncover ancient ruins and heritage sites for up to $60 a day. Visit Petra, the Rose City, and marvel at its iconic treasury carved into rose-red cliffs. Explore other archaeological wonders like Gera's Roman ruins and the medieval castles of Karak and Shobak. Venture into the unworldly landscape of Wadi Rum. a desert valley known for its dramatic sandstone mountains and marshland-like terrain. Experience a budget-friendly desert safari, come under the stars, and engage with Bedouin culture. A visit to the Dead Sea offers a unique opportunity to float effortlessly due to its high salt content. Spend a relaxing day enjoying the therapeutic benefits of its mineral-rich waters. Indulge in Jordan's flavorful cuisine, which features dishes like mansaf, a traditional lamb dish, and falafel, or a small shared plates from local eateries. Each destination offers a unique experience without breaking the bank. From European enchanting streets to Asia's breathtaking landscapes, this list will fuel your wanderlust while respecting your wallet. And there you have it. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to your fellow adventurers and loved ones. So set your sight on a year of budget-conscious travel and explore these mesmerizing corners of the globe. The adventure awaits.